What's up, everybody? Brian over at Bees Diecast Fantasyland, and today I have got number 2 in the Wall of Fame and Fuel. Of course, last video that I put up had the first selection here. I'm going to be rearranging all of these, so these will be changing, and I will give some updates as well. So this particular one is kind of the little overflow. I've got some great castings in here as well. But most of these that I've got in this location here, I'm going to be taking out. I've got this GT40 regular mainline. A lot of these are regular mainlines as well. Some of them, but we'll go through them real quick. Something that my wife April came across yesterday. Ooh, I thought I had dusted everything really well, but not quite. Was this awesome Econoline truck that's got the classic Ford Motor Company on it. I'm going to be putting the card that's actually in that box with that M2. I'm going to actually be putting that behind that because it's really cool. Got a lot of classic. Love the VW and the Mercedes and the Corvette. Really good looking team transport. As you can see, I love to open these. I love to see display. I'm going to be setting up some displays with a lot of these cars here in the very near future. And I saw somebody had actually done a complete custom Herbie on this particular casting, and I'm going to be doing the same here in the near future. I love that particular team transport right there. Yeah, kind of opening these up here a little bit. I wanted to kind of just show these off, of course. Same thing, I love all the classic cars. Of course, this was a GameStop exclusive, but a couple of these models here are just really sharp. Love a lot of that flame look. Got the Fast and Furious set. There's 3 of them anyway. Got 3 of them right there. The Nova, Torino, the Impala. Love those cars. Got the little red truck. And then, of course, some of these sets here, this particular paint on that Nova really looks good. It's amazing how some of the regular main lines have some really cool paint, almost like a Spectre Flame coloration on them. Really look good. But I love the classic muscle cars. Mustangs, Novas, Camaros, Hemis, all these cars. I love the Impalas, any 60s and 70s models. Just really, really love. Of course, there's the regular main line of that same Fast and Furious Impala. That's really sharp. Then, of course, I've got some of these models here. They're kind of a couple of them are kind of jumbled around and mixed up, but I'm going to be doing some custom work with some of these cars. I particularly like that casting right there. This one looks so good as it is. A GTO, I'm going to be leaving that like it is. Stars and Stripes, picked up a couple of these just as the great American flag and the 76 right there. I love that casting as well. Then, of course, over here, I've got a few, kind of a mixture of a few things as well. This, of course, this one in the regular mainline of the Chevy pickup, because when I get to number 3 and 4 of the Wall of Fame and Fuel, I bought this casting because me finding super treasure hunts is kind of rare and few and far between. So anyway, I actually found the super treasure hunt in that. So that's going to be in the number 4 selection of this video. But love that Chevy pickup, man. That's a good looking truck in the premium line. And then, of course, some of these, I love the 8 crate. I'm working on a custom right now for hashtag Skid 2021. That's on Instagram. Keith over at Outlaw Speed Shop is put together a little contest where we're going to enter in some custom work. I don't expect to win by any means, but I'm looking forward to the build. I've got the car pretty well complete that I'm really not going to display yet because obviously it's a contest, so I'm not going to be showing it off just yet. Yeah, I love the good old Trans Am. Looks good. These Corvette models. Got the little Volkswagen truck. I love those particular models as well. The Moon Eyes. At 911, that is a beautiful mainline casting. That's a great looking car. Then I've got the Camaros up here, which I've got some of the premium models that kind of run across, and then of course some of the regular main lines as well. I've got a Target Red Edition. It's a good looking truck, kind of right across this top edge. And there's another one of the Mustangs. I've got 3 or 4 of those in this case. So anyway, that's number 2 of 4. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll talk with you soon.